have with you?
I always say make bleaching cream again. Tell the idiot them, cause them every day they get up a rub and they don't know.
Bleach and cream.
What they use make it?
What they use make it? Bleach.
Kind of bleach.
He bleach where you wash your clothes with.
Oh, so when time I put it in the cream?
Cream in it, and then I'm going to put the bleach in it and I'm going to shake up it.
Oh. And when they rub it on their skin?
It turn white.
Like your white clothes them?
Yeah. You have to wait till it dry and it turn white.
For real. You know, say true. All these time I never you know say the bleach what they use make your white clothes them white, them I use on their skin. That's why them are white. That's why when they rub it on their skin they get white though.
Yeah.
You sure say I bleach what they use for wash clothes?
Yeah, duh.
So how it work? Like
They not no other bleach.
so how it work? What you say them do? They them put it then
Like
use
then full up with cream with it and then put little tip of bleach in it and then shake it up.
oh
And then lock it tight. And then spray something on it and come like a new.
oh. So if them black like blacker and then rub it on their skin then get white.
Yes.
For real?
Yeah. Look how me clothes them white.
Who oh you know that? Who teach you?
Nobody. But just take you out of my mind.
Smart, you know, girl that's smart.
Smart, look good.
For real.
Come here, I said,
Yeah, smart little girl.
Stop to me now.